Hello! In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into Nokia 2660 Flip. So you have to start by removing back cover of your device. And now you have to remove the battery. And here you can insert your SD card. And now you can log it like this, and that's how you insert your SIM card. Just slide it into your slot. Now you can put your battery back, and you can put your back cover on. And now you can turn on your device by pressing the hang up button for a few seconds. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.